And 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Hey guys, it's me, Janaea.
And it's me, Grace. And today we're going to be filming with my little sister.
We're gonna be making some slime. I kind of have a lisp right now because I went to the orthodontist and I came back and now I have a lisp. But I think it's gonna go away. No, I don't know for sure.
I hope it stays.
I don't. So we're gonna be making some slime
Mm-hmm.
with her, and
It'll be like a little Q&A with Sophie also.
yeah, because we texted our friends to ask questions, so that's what we're gonna be doing. So, this is Sophie.
This is Sophie.
Say hi.
Hi. Okay, so just say your name and age. Just
I'm
introduce yourself.
Sophie, and I'm 10.
So we got some questions from
Say who they're from.
our friends. Yeah. First one from Piper. What is your favorite slime?
What do you
Sophie's
mean?
kind-
What type of slime?
Sophie's
Yeah.
a slime queen, and she makes slime all the time. This is all of her stuff.
So what's your favorite slime? That's so much good.
Yeah, I know.
My favorite type of slime is
Hurry up.
butter slime.
It's a good one.
Yeah, really like that slime. Down
Don't
here.
block her. You blocked her face. Why did you fall? Wait. Mine's gonna be yellow because aesthetic.
And yellow is my favorite color.
Guess we're twins.
Next question is from Cheney. Who is your favorite friend of mine?
I can't.
Just go. Go.
Taylor.
Okay.
I already knew that. It's fine.
I'm glad I chose blue to make mine.
And then Janaea.
Not Cheney?
Well,
I thought I'd be your third favorite.
I don't know. You know, you, Taylor, and Janaea. You, Taylor, and Janaea are all tied.
Another question from Cheney. Can you sing for the fans?
No.
Please.
No.
Just give a little snippet. Just her. Oh, my hands are so sticky. I gotta go wash them real quick.
Okay, I'll just talk to her now.
Okay.
Sing?
Yeah.
Sing with me.
I don't know what song that is.
That's just a note.
Ah.
Who's your favorite YouTuber? James Charles.
Yeah.
Sister. Love that.
You're just adding it straight in?
That's what she did, and she's a slime queen, so.
Okay, I guess. Who do you like? This is a question from Ben.
Who I like?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not saying.
Ooh.
So you like someone?
Yeah, I already told you that.
Yeah. I
We
know.
didn't tell the fans.
Okay.
Wait, well, or is he in your grade?
Yeah.
Well, some people like older men.
Okay, next question from Sarah.
Sarah.
How do you feel about pineapple on pizza? Also, love you, Sophie.
Pineapple what?
Pineapple on pizza.
I've
You
never
deaf?
tried it.
But like, do you think it would be good?
No.
It's actually
You
really
picky
good.
eater?
It's good.
I'm in the middle.
Okay.
You seem like you'd be a picky eater.
So do you.
No, I'm not a picky eater at all.
Question from Taylor.
It just
Do you have any
needs to be
special
more,
talents?
Hey,
Do you have any
listen to her.
specials? Do
What?
you have any special / hidden talents from Taylor?
No.
No. I'd
don't
say
know
your
anything.
slime abilities are.
I have no talents. Think of a talent of mine. I have nothing.
Slime, singing, dancing,
Shoeing?
Shoeing.
Yeah, I'm so good at the shoe.
Next question from Grace. Can you do the shoe?
What she used to do?
Hit me.
Baby, one more time.
Wow, that was freaking cool.
Question from Riley. What's the most embarrassing thing you've seen Grace do?
Embarrassing? Like, to me? Or to her?
Both.
Oh my goodness. Yours is already activated all the way.
Not all the way. Like, what's the most embarrassing? Oh. Never mind. What's the most embarrassing thing Grace has done, just in general?
Do you have your answer?
She just.
Thank you.
I don't know. You always embarrass me.
Okay. Question from Parker. Okay. He says, why did I see you in my house 2 nights ago?
What?
Okay, next question from Parker.
Next question?
Next from Parker. Have you kissed anyone?
No, I kissed my mom.
Next question also from Parker. Do you take drugs?
No!
You sure?
I had meds before, but not like drugs.
This isn't a question from Piper, it's just a comment.
Piper?
Yeah.
Pipe it up, pipe it up.
She says that you are perfect just the way you are and you don't need to change yourself for the camera.
She already knows that, Piper.
That is a good color.
Cool.
Now it's some lotion to it.
I'm not.
It's green.
Yeah, it's like ugly green too.
That's like when Grace tried to make a popcorn color, and she made a popcorn slime, and that's the exact color it was.
Yeah.
It was.
Yo, popcorn looking like this? And it also looks way more green on camera also.
Hey, why'd you snap some lotion? So that was our slime Q&A with Sophie.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
We post every Thursday.
So, subscribe.
Peace out.
Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah.
Bye guys.
Death drop.